Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you not just as a speaker, but as a fellow traveler on the journey towards our dreams. Each one of us has aspirations, desires that fuel our spirit, and goals that ignite our passion. The path to realizing these dreams isn't always easy, but it's not impossible either. It requires something more than just wishful thinking. It demands hard work, dedication, and strategic planning. Life has a funny way of testing our resolve, throwing challenges in our path, questioning our commitment. But remember this: every obstacle is an opportunity in disguise, a chance to prove our strength and resilience. It's not just about working hard, but also about working smart, making calculated decisions, learning from failures, and continuously adapting our strategies. Ask yourself, what do you want out of life? What are you willing to sacrifice to get there? Success isn't handed out. It's earned through relentless effort, perseverance, and the willingness to step out of our comfort zones. The late nights, the early mornings, the moments when giving up seems like the easiest choice. These are the moments that define us. They are the building blocks of our success. They are the chapters of our story that we'll proudly share one day, reminiscing about the journey we undertook to reach our goals. Let your ambition fuel your actions, but let your strategy guide your steps. Setbacks will come. They're part of the process. But it's how we respond to these setbacks that truly shapes our destiny. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn, to innovate, and to grow stronger. Remember, success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Pace yourself, but keep moving forward. And when doubts creep in, remember why you started. Visualize your goals and let that vision drive you. So, my friends, let's commit to working harder and smarter than ever before. Let's seize every opportunity, learn from every experience, and persist through every setback. Our dreams are not merely wishes, they're destinations waiting for us to arrive. With hard work, determination, and strategic planning, we will reach them. This is our time, this is our journey. Let's make every moment count.